Alright, let's talk a little bit about lawn mowing. So we offer both weekly and bi-weekly lawn mowing services. I'm just going to tell you right off the bat, if you want a good looking lawn, you have to go with weekly. It's impossible to do if it's bi-weekly. And let's talk about why. So when you cut grass, you're not supposed to mow off more than the top third of that entire blade of grass. And the reason is because it puts a lot of stress on the grass, and it could lead to having a bad looking lawn and everything like that. Also, if you take a really long piece of grass and you look at it, you're gonna have the top portion of it is gonna be green, bottom of it's gonna be yellow. It's gonna be kind of thicker, kind of like a ear of corn stalk type of. That's what comes to mind. But so when you take off, that you're gonna take off that top portion more than likely, especially in the spring if you're going bi-weekly. You're gonna get more into that yellow area, and that's where your lawn is gonna be looking like, and that's not ideal. So we highly recommend weekly lawn mowing just for the health purposes of your lawn. Some of the things that we do for the health of your lawn just when mowing. So we're going to mow in 4 different directions each month. So one week we're going to mow this way, next week we're going to mow this way, then we go this way, and again the other way up, diagonal. And this helps for all sides of the blade of the grass to get proper amounts of sunlight, and also so it's not like laying down to one side each week. A lot of people who mow their lawn, consistently, say left and right, you can come back with your foot like right after they mow, and you can actually take and kind of peel that grass up, and you can tell it's not even cut. It's just they're just kind of laying it down, and that's not what you're paying us to do. That's not what you want. It's not good for the grass. So we always mow in 4 different directions each month. This also helps to prevent ruts in the lawn, especially if it's rained after 1 week. You may have slight rut, and then you come back the next week and you just keep adding to it. That's not good. Yeah. So we also sharpen our mower blades every single day. This helps to achieve cutting the grass properly so no diseases get into it. One of the ways you can tell that you may have a dull blade is that the tops of your grass are probably going to be jagged and are going to be yellow on top. As where if you have a sharp blade, it's going to be flat, cut flat up against the blade of grass, and the tops of it are going to be green. So that's just a couple of the things that we do when we're lawn mowing. Other examples, we're going to be sure to blow off your entire concrete and asphalt surfaces, even if they don't have grass on them. It's just nice to get that done. If your front porch sits up a little bit higher, we go ahead and we automatically just blow it off and get any debris on there. We'll just clear it off for you. We're going to be sure not to blow grass underneath your garage door if it's open. We're going to make sure to edge your sidewalks and do it properly. We don't use stick edgers, and the reason for that is they can do some serious damage to your concrete. So we've opted for putting, they're called Edge Pro attachments on our weed whacker. It's a plastic disc, and then the string will actually cut the grass, and it'll edge it at a 90-degree angle. It's a lot safer, and we're not going to do any damage to your driveway or sidewalks. So those are just a few of the things that we do for the health of your lawn, and things that you should be considering if you're mowing it by yourself or hiring another company.